My name is Joanna Coventry. I'm a legal executive at Ewart Price. Family law encompasses a lot of things. It can be divorce, financial matters arising out of a divorce, separation, cohabitation, private law, Children Act matters. It's a very varied subject. It's sometimes quite difficult to get people to respond because they've had a very traumatic experience, but I have had some very lovely testimonials from clients. The majority of them will say that they would approach me, that I was friendly, efficient, and made what they can term to be a very difficult process a lot easier. Usually it's where the parties have decided that they cannot be together any longer. They don't necessarily always want to go for a divorce to start with, so we will look at helping them with a separation arrangement and also with regard to the arrangements for their children. People usually come to me in times of crisis. I always try to calm them and I always explain to them that it's a bit like coming to the dentist or the doctor. I try and deal with each case as an individual matter because no one case is the same, and try and deal with it in a sympathetic way. If a person is cohabiting, they need to make sure that they know what they've each agreed in terms of what rights they have to the property and any finances. So if people are in an abusive situation, there's been domestic violence, then the first instance they probably would contact the police, but then would come to a solicitor in the hope that we could obtain an injunction for them, depending on the circumstances. I think it's important to have a local solicitor because certainly in family law, I think it's important that people can come into the office and be able to see the person that they're dealing with. A lot of work can be done by email and by telephone, but the personal touch is, I think, one of the most important.